Hello students, welcome to handwriting class. In the previous class, you all practiced strokes and patterns on page number 3, 4 and 5. Hope you all completed these 3 pages. Now we'll practice numbers on page number 6 and small letters on page number 7, 8 and 9. Okay children, let us begin the class. Children, you all know that numbers are very important. You have to practice these numbers properly. 0 is the first number on this page. Zeros are written as oval shape or X shape. First you practice and trace the first line and then you write the next line. Okay children, start practicing. First you hold your pencil and pen properly. Hold your pen with 3 fingers this way and leave the cone part. If you are using pencil, hold it this way with 3 fingers. Practice on this dotted lines. Nice oval shapes. So after completing the first dotted lines, then you trace the first dotted line here and write on the remaining lines. The next number is 1. 1 is very easy. It is written as straight standing lines. 2. Start with a small curve at the top and a small round here and finish it this way. The next number is 3. Sleeping line, slanting line and a small right semicircle. The next one is 4. Start with a slanting line and a sleeping line, and the next shape is a small straight standing line. Now you have to combine these 2 shapes to form 4. First this shape, lift your pen, and this one. 5. Start with a small straight standing line and right semicircle. The next shape is small straight sleeping line. Combine these 2 shapes. This is 5. Children, 4 and 5 are double stroke letters. That is, we cannot write this 4 and 5 without lifting hand. 6 is very easy. Make a C. Make a C and a circle at the bottom. 7. A sleeping line and a slanting line. Sleeping line and a slanting line to make a 7. 8. To make 8, start like a block letter S. Block letter S and close these 2 endings. And 9. A small circle at the top and a slanting line. Okay children, practice this numbers page properly. Students, now we will practice small letters. The first letter is I. Students, first we'll practice these letters on 4 rules, then double rule, and last single rule. Students, I is middle zone letter because it is written between second line and third line. Children, start here and come down and lift your pencil or pen and dot it. So children, I is also known as double stroke letter because we cannot complete this I without lifting a pen or pencil. Children, start from this third line, go up and touch the second rule, come down as a single line and dot this I. So first you trace this single eyes and then join 2 eyes. Joining 2 eyes. After joining these 2 eyes, then you have to lift your pen or pencil and dot it. And last you have to write a word beginning with I, that is iron. First you join all the small letters. And then you have to dot this I. Next on double rules. Double rules are actually second and third lines of 4 rules. So while writing this I, as it is a middle join letter, you have to write this I touching these 2 lines and a dot over this, like this, between these 2 lines and a dot. While writing this word, as all the letters are middle join letters, you have to touch all these letters between these 2 lines and write. And on single rules. So while writing on single rules, as it is a middle join letter, you have to write this I exactly only up to half of these 2 lines, this way, and a dot. Especially this third class students, as you are used to only 4 rules until now, so while writing this on this single rule, you should be little careful to write this only up to here, just up to half of these 2 lines. And while writing these small letters, you have to slant these letters a little to right side. All the small letters should be slanted a little to right side, this way. And while writing this word, you have to write all the letters in one size, as all the letters are middle join letters. Students, the next letter is U. U is same like I, like joining 2 I's without dots. U is also a middle join letter, as it is written between second line and third line. This way, and joining 2 U's, U and U, and then a word with U. So next is on double rule. Last on single rule. Students who are writing lower join letters on single rule, you see that you don't come beyond this half line of these 2 rules. Okay children, complete this page. The next letter is T. T is upper join letter, as it is written between first line and third line of 4 rules. So T is same like a I. I is written between second line and third line, and T between first line and third line, this way, and then bar this T. T should always be written as a single line. Now you're joining 2 T's. Join this part first and then lift your pen and bar these T's. And now write a word with T. First you join all the letters and then bar the first T first and the second T last. Now on this double rule. So while writing on double rule, you see that you go up exactly up to double the size of this double rule, double the size up to here. So while writing here, just go up only up to here. So now on single rule. So while writing this T on this single rule, just write short of this above line. Don't touch this line, just write short of this above line up to here. Okay children, while writing these letters and numbers, first you trace the dotted lines and get the shape properly, and then you write the remaining lines. Okay children, complete these 4 pages. Again meet you in the next class.